Hello my loves, welcome to my channel. I am Kendra. Today we are dyeing my hair because look at it, it's a bit of a state and I need a bit of a pick-me-up, so let's go. I think one of the most overlooked things in dyeing your hair is the preparation. Make sure you're wearing something that you don't mind getting dye on, because 9 times out of 10 you will get dye on yourself. In my case, I get dye everywhere. So I like to lay a little sheet down in the sink as well, because yeah, I'll get dye in there and I'll get it all over the mirror, I'll get it all over the floor, I'll get it all over my skin. And then I just section my hair and go to town.
Beautiful, hair is done. Oh, I forgot to clean my ears. Whoops. Oh, hopefully it comes off in the shower. What are you doing up here, little one? Hey, so tired. Poor little kitty. So while I wait for my hair to do my thing, I just thought I'd have some lunch. Let me show you, because it's leftovers from last night. It was absolutely delicious. So it's sweet and sour tofu, but rather than cutting up tofu like in cubes like you normally would, actually like tear it off and it kind of resembles chicken. It's really nice. I will find the recipe for you. It's online because it's super easy and really delicious. And I'm also just reading this book, Everything I Know About Love by Dolly Alderton. I've only just started, so can't give you a review just yet. Kitty's moved. He's a bit hot and bothered. Poor little bub. I'm super happy with how the colour has turned out. It's nice and dark at the moment. It's still quite wet, obviously. I have just put in some Garnier Fructis hair food. I love this gear. I bang about it all the time on my channel. But it is 2 o'clock and I've got to go race get the kids, because if you don't get there at least an hour to 45 minutes beforehand, you don't get a park, and then the kids freak out because you're not at their classroom, and I can't do with that. So I'm gonna leave it wet and come back and blow dry it and show you the finished results. Ta-da! It's much later in the evening than I had expected. But I just blow dried my hair. The only other product that I used, if you haven't seen my latest styling video, actually I shouldn't say latest, it was last year, this time last year, oh my god. Anyway, I usually use just 2 products. The one that I showed you before, Garnier hair mask, love it, and the other one, Taft. Such a good product, and I love it. I also sprayed a little bit of the hair growth spray from the Australian Organic. I just spritzed this on before I blow dried. It's really nice, it smells beautiful. It's really nice to use on dry hair as well, like when you're using, doing a refresh and things. Highly recommend. If you would like a discount code, I will pop it here on the screen, and I'll also put it in the description box below. Feeling lovely and refreshed now. Beautiful regrowth. Don't mind the wrinkles. I'm just not quite ready to embrace the grey hair at this stage in my life. I have a lot to thank the Curly Girl method for, because I honestly couldn't love my hair more than I do now. Love it so much. Okay, love you guys, bye.